Lily. Um, so today I want to talk to you guys about Fly Physical Class 3. Um, I did one today. Before I did mine, I researched on it and I was under the impression there was something that you would fail or pass or whatnot. And I don't know if you guys know, like, I failed one in the past, not failed, but was disqualified to whatever job that I wanted to get because of not having 20/20 vision. So I went to the base optometry. They prescribed me glasses, so they corrected my vision to perfect vision to 20/20, and now I was able to do my class 3. If you're interested in doing a class 3, it means that you're becoming a flight crew, right? Like a boom operator, a load master, a flight, whatever, flight medic. Anyway, so you have to do the flight physical. The flight physical is not an academic test. It's just a battery of like tests, just like math with different exams and same exam. So you're still going to have your blood test. You're still going to have your urine test. A little different. You're not going to need to have somebody watching you. I mean, that's in my case, somebody was watching me like they did in math. You're going to have also your hearing test, yeah, sitting there, hearing the little beeps and pressing the button and all that stuff. You're still gonna have your vision test. It's gonna have actually three or four of them. The first vision test, you're gonna have you reading a paper to see if you can, read the words. If you can, if you're good at reading, if you can see things. Then they're gonna make you like read, the lines and whatever. Uh, depth perception. Depth perception. Actually, somebody told me that is a big deal breaker if you fail on it. So here's a tip for depth perception. If you cannot see the circle that's coming out, just move your head a little bit and blink and blink profusely until you see that circle coming about. So, the exam for that perception, oh my God, I can't see anything. Anyway, so that perception test is going to have, 3 rows or 5 circles, and then each row there's a circle that's like more forward. So for you to see the circle, it's getting difficult. Just pay attention to whatever line you're looking at, blink a lot, and then you're going to see all the other lines kind of, you're going to see it. It's going to be fine. Just move ahead a little bit and blink a lot. So you're gonna do back depth perception, then you're gonna do like, nearsighted test, you're gonna do regular reading, you're gonna do a bunch of like little tests. They're gonna, put a pen in your face, or if you do this, they're gonna do like a bunch of stuff. Then you're gonna do some sort of test that you're sitting on a computer, a bunch of letters are gonna come out for like 3 seconds in different colors, and then you have to say which color you're seeing, and they're gonna faint a little bit more and more and more. So there's gonna be a lot of like these kind of exams, which is like little health tests. Then you're gonna go and you're gonna make like a little copy of your foot. Like when the babies, like they put, carbon thing, and then you put your foot on paper. You're gonna do that. You're gonna do a chest X-ray. You're gonna do a EKG, whatever, heart thing. Um, they're gonna weight you. They're gonna get your height. If you are under 64 inches, they're gonna measure your reach. So they're gonna just tell you to reach up as high as you can without going on your tippy toe. Depending on your job again. If you are in a job that you're gonna have to reach things up, like the one that I'm intending to apply for, um, you're gonna do that test to see if you're reaching up over a certain amount of inches. Because if you're too short and you're not able to reach that, then you're not able to do the job. Um, what else did I do? Then you're gonna go upstairs or whatever, whatever is the optometry. They are going to put drops in your eyes. Before that, they're gonna do the color blindness test, more reading out of the wall, another test for glaucoma, that like it bursts like air in your eye. You're gonna do, they're gonna stare at your eye again. They're gonna do like, um, reading more out of the wall. Um, look at this balloon in the middle, like all of that crap. They're gonna do. So you're gonna do like about 3 eye exams. You're gonna do a blood lab. You're gonna do urine analysis. You're gonna do the whole, you know, uh, drops in the eye so your pupils get the like uh, your pupils get big, dilated. There you go, dilated, and then they can look inside. They're gonna do all those tests. One huge thing: if you wear glasses, bring your glasses. You need to be 20/20 corrected. So bring your glasses if you have them, so you can succeed on this test. Um, And that's about it. That's all. That's all I did today. Also for females, you need to have your annual. So if you are going to do your class 3, try to do your annual at least a month before or a couple of weeks before because the results don't come out for a couple of weeks. So if you go over there and you don't have it like me, you're gonna have to fax it or email it later. So you might as well just have it in hand. Oh, also they tell you to go, like, depending on the job. My specific job, I need to be able to lift a certain amount of pounds. So they tell you to go to the gym with a paper, and then this paper you go with somebody at the gym, and then you lift, and then the person just signs, and then they saw you lifting it. You know, so if you have a job that you're required to lift a certain amount of pounds, that you have to do that as well. Um, so yeah, that's about it. Now I'm kind of blinded since 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 o'clock. I have this in my eyes, so I can't see anything. So I cannot study. I cannot do anything really. I just can't do this video and barely see the camera. It's really fun. I don't even know if um is it, can you see? I don't know. I can't. Anyway, I'm gonna stop because it's looking creepy. All right. So if you have any questions about the like physical, let me know. Put them in the comments, and I will try to answer as soon as I can read. Now to find how to put this thing in the air. If you're seeing this, it's because I succeeded. Yay! Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Post your comments and suggestions. Okay, bye.